Are those long walks in the concrete jungle getting you down? Do you dream of adventure, wide open spaces, and the freedom to explore? But instead, you find yourself cooped up indoors, yearning for more. Are you ready to trade these city streets for a wilderness adventure? Maybe it's time to hit the pause button and ask a dedicated realtor for a little help. I will work with you to help separate the outdoor spaces you want from the ones that you don't want. And now that you have that out of the way, it's time to focus on more important things in life. Hi everyone, this is Ripley, and I am Craig Powell, and I am your Greater Moncton Realtor. Ready for our walk? All right, let's go.